those of you live on YouTube. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here on YouTube. Those of you, we are trading live now the EMini S&P 500 as well as the crude oil and a bunch of stocks. If you have come to the room for the first time, you just missed a bunch of points that we captured in the market all the way down. I'll give you guys an analysis right now as the market is dropping. I took a trade 79 long, got it stopped out at 77. FYI, I lost about 1.5 or 2 points on that trade. Was looking for the move. The market, they were buying the open, right? We were spending some good time right at the open. This thing was behaving just like yesterday when we can have a nice move of about 6-7 points. I decided to went long. I told my guys, tight stop, 2 points, I'm out. I'm already up almost, I think about 8-9 points, so I gave away maybe 2. Nonetheless, look at the market today. Let me talk about the market and what exactly is happening. We have a nice gap. I hope some of the guys caught that, and gap rules are in effect. Let me mark it for you guys. Let me put it back here. Mark it as a gap, not as a balance, excuse me. What is my gap? Load it, lock it, change this to, maybe I will change it to the 14. So gap rules are in effect this morning. We did have a nice comeback from the 67, the line in the sand, and everything is, by the way, recorded, and everything is right here on our chat. 41.67. I have closed my AMC. Those of you here in YouTube, I closed my AMC last night. Let me get rid of this, guys. This is a lot of noise. Stop speaking that. There you go. So this morning, where is my move? Excuse me. Nice, by the way, analysis by, again, can't believe this. Boom. Look at that. Just collecting dollars. Bubble. Very nice. Very nice move by France. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Yesterday, we mentioned this, right? Yesterday. We just collecting money, guys. This is all we do here in the room. We were just collecting that money. And I just told my guys, if you search on my Discord, 4173, I have one of my clients here in Houston, and he was able to take this nice trade. This was yesterday. There you have it. This was given to you guys yesterday, those of you who do position trading. Any move below 4,200, here is your target. 4173 today, all the way to 67. Actually, we print 65 early this morning. So what to expect from the market, and why are we doing what we are doing today in the S&P 500? That's what you need to understand. So the market this morning flashed after a nice report from the jobs report. When from balance, extremely important, right? As you come into the room, if this is the first time, from balance, out of the balance, back inside the previous balance. We have singles all the way to 40, 43 and 35. If you look, those singles were left right on May 20, right? That was the May 20. And we have this gap that was still in my books. There is a gap. I'm going to increase this for you to see it. Let me see if I can change this quickly. We have a gap. I'm going to go all the way to May, June so we can see it. There it is. Right? That's the gap from the 20th of May. Yeah, we have this gap all the way to 4,100. So it could be a nice flush. If we continue to flush this inventory and we finally start looking for a change in the market, why not? Been telling you this forever. This 42 balance was getting tired last week. Yeah, last week. Let me get rid of this. We don't need this stuff there. All right. But the importance of this morning was the fact that we were trading right into it. Right into it, we were trading this morning. Yeah, we were looking at the 41.73. I was looking at the 41.67. So this morning, the market was dropping like a rock on the first half an hour, excuse me. The algo came through, gave us the 67, and I told my guys, here is the line 41.67, right? 8:45 Central Time, which is 9:45 right? We are at the top of the balance, yeah? The move is go inside overnight range, test the low, the top, of that balance, and then go back to the open. Some of my guys, I am pretty sure they grabbed that move. I am damn sure they were able to capture those 14 points. They know how I trade live. They know about the nuances of the market. And every day we play the same thing. We go for $3,000-$4,000 daily. All right. So far, my day is pretty nice. I cannot complain. Made about $5,000 on my AMC. By the way, here is the field. Some of you guys were not believing, right? 81 shares. I left 81 shares. You guys recall I have 600 shares? Well, they closed 90% of those. And they left 81 shares on my portfolio. I didn't even know it was buried underneath my stocks. I didn't even know until last night. My wife went to the account and she's like, there is big money that you're making. I was like, I'm not making big money. Then I saw this thing at 66 last night and I posted it in the rooms. This morning, 6 a.m., I was up there. 7 a.m. Eastern time, I closed it. Right? My entry, again, those of you that are new to the room, my entry was the day of earnings, 9:15. That is the entry, right? Here is the entry, 9:15. You can see it on the screen. Yeah, 9:15. I'm pretty good with that trade. I took 9:15 and I got out at $14 AMC. I make money, and I got out at 16.35. I make money, right? And I was regretting the fact that I didn't leave more on the table until last night. My wife went to my account and she said, like, man, you have 80 shares. And I was like, wait, I don't have shares on AMC. Well, surprise, surprise, I did. And that made my day. So close the baby out. Those of you who went with me, let me show you. 9:15. 9:15. Let's see. Old entries. No. AMC. Let me look at all the AMC. Where was the entry of the AMC? May 14, right? Look at the May 14 when I was exiting from 10 to 14. That was the double entry that I did on AMC. When did I go long? 1,500 shares, right? Let me show you guys quickly. Yeah. Here are all the trades. May 14. Every single trade. All the money that we were making. And now look where we are now, right? So again, those of you new to the trading room, that's how we make average 3K per day. Sometimes we make more. Like my guys, they make 10,000. I'm not even at their level sometimes. Sometimes the students is much better than the coach. So I'm glad they are making money. Reminds me of my penny stocks days. I do not trade penny stocks. I have never ever traded penny stocks. I do trade small caps a lot on my account with DAS, with Cobra Trading. I do trade small caps a lot. That's the account that I'm managing for 40K. That is now 160K. It's not bad. Doing only small caps. I cannot do with $40,000. I cannot do futures, right? Because you can only do. Oh my goodness! Hold on, guys. Look at the S&P 500. Somebody just told me to go. Look at the S&P 500. There goes the 86. Holy Christ! There is the move. Man, I did not see that. What the hell did happen? They bought the 76. That's all they did. They came in and stopped me out. Now we're trying to close the gap. Long 77. There you go, man. Thank you for that, Cesar. You just made my day, man. Wow. Let me go long here, guys. I will put one long. I'm late to the party. I might get stopped out. But those of you who went long with me, that's 78, and you held on to your dear life, good job. All about the structure of the market this morning. It was the same thing we did yesterday, right? Same thing we did yesterday. We were here with the algo, buying the open. Here is the volume point of control from overnight. Here is the volume point of control from RTH. Boom. 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 Gone, baby. 87 long. I don't have that many points. I got 3 lots on it. I'm going to take probably 4 or 5 points out of this baby. We are about to close the gap all the way to 41.95. And if we go back, again, another structure, if we go back into this balance, yeah, this can start trading higher, guys, all the way to 4,200. So be aware of that. Wow, that was a nice. Get the hell out. Take some money off the table if you guys went long those 76. It's time to ring the register. Do not be greedy. Ring the register and then reload, recapture. You know how I trade. I always play with the casino money, right? Always play with the casino money. Nice long off the 76. Man, they really play with me on this open because I went long at it and they stopped me out, which is great. Just went long 87s. I'll see if I can get those 90s. If I get it, great. If not, I'm going to scratch my trade. What is it that you don't want to look for? So here is another playbook. I don't want to see them coming back inside the range. Be careful. I do not want to see these guys go back inside the initial balance range. If the bulls are in charge, if these guys are going to start printing paper, I do not want them to go inside the IB. I want them to find value here and migrate higher. Find value here and migrate higher. 41.95 is the previous day low, and that's where we will be closing our gap. It is early in the day, guys. It's only 11. So any questions? Let me go back to my, what is it? UVXY. Look at my TQQs. So I went long those TQQ 99s. Now they are the 99.15s. It's still kind of struggling here on the TQQs. 99.15 now. Still doing the same thing it was doing early on. Not giving me the trade that I want. But let's see, right? Let's see if this is going to happen. Oil, guys, is $1 away from my target. I am so freaking excited. So excited about that. Not because I'm hitting my mark, but because I am collecting 20% on that move. And that is, you know, a good sound to anyone early in the morning. Here goes 89. Let me see if I'm going to get 90. Boom. There goes 90. Come on, baby. Hit me. 3 lots. 3 lots. 3 lots. Get the freaking 90. NASDAQ is stopping us a little bit. NQ is stopping this move. Otherwise, we will be already at 4,200. But the NQ is not participating. Let me look at the FANG stocks. FANG stocks, Apple down. So is AMC. Oh, look at AMC, back at 45. Wow. And I was tempted to buy some puts this morning, those 60 puts, and I didn't want to do it. All right, 89 again. My Baidu is taking a beating from the 200 bucks, and not bad. Look at the fight that's happening at the bottom of the balance. I want you to understand what's going on now. Why am I having such a hard time to get in this 90? Why? Because they will balance right here. And I have it on the screen for you to see it live, right? And it's recorded on YouTube. You can come and see it later on. What exactly did we play for? Why? The most important question at all times, guys. Why am I taking a trade? Why am I ringing the register? This is what needs to be in your head the moment you take a trade. All right, I'm gonna get out of these 2 lots. I have 3 lots, so I'm gonna close 2. Give me 1 sec. Let's see if I can get 89.25 at least. Get 200 bucks. I'm happy with 200 bucks. Almost 10K now. Almost 10K on my account. Come on, sweetie. Where are you, Algo? Show me these 91s. All right, 89. Freaking close. Son of a guns. All right, close 89s. I'm sorry, I am not typing those guys. I'm not typing a lot today because the market is so fast. I cannot be typing on Discord. I do apologize. And look at that, man. I get out of my 2 lots and the runner goes to 90. So runner went to 90. They got me out of 90. Right? Went to 41.90 and out. Son of a guns. Son of a guns. I don't even know how much money I make that. 87 to 90, 3 points, 3 handles. The other ones only made 2. All right. Man, I hate that. Son of a guns. It happens. It happened to me yesterday, and it happens to me today again. Good move. Those of you who were looking at that 76, as I was explaining, balance, boom, there you have it. Like we say it right here in my house, right? In your face. Live. Boom, 90. Should I chase this? Why not? I have a lot of money in my pocket. Playing with the casino money. Back to oil, 69. Back to my TQQ. TQQ is really disappointing me today. Not that it doesn't want to give me my 100, 101. I closed my short and went long immediately. Closed my short, went long immediately on my TQQ. All right, so, man, this was sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So what do you expect now out of the market? 95s. Yeah, 95. I'm going to put a runner on. I'll be placing a runner. I see 88 limit, go long. If these guys just give me 88, 2 points. 2 points from here. Drop it to 88 and go long, right? And I want to take those 7 points back to 95. Man, look at him. Look at these guys squeezing all those shorts. Squeeze them, baby. Keep squeezing them. So my friend just made about 120K. And if he's still trading this baby off the lows, which was the idea, he made 100K going down, 100K going up. And that's a sweet sound to my ears. Target 95. Those of you long from the 77s or whatever the heck you're long from, target 95. Son of a guns, they got me. They got me. Should have given more room to my runner, to the runner. But this is good. This is extremely good. I want to see them right here, above the initial balance, right? That's always, guys, the first hour of trading, you don't see me trading a lot, right? I want to see this. This is what I'm looking for. Range extension. That's what I'm looking for. Range extension. Nothing more. I need to see change in the market. Something changed when we went underneath 200, right? Something changed when we dropped the 200. What was the change about? I'm going to go look for balance. Something changed when these guys saw the opportunity. The bulls, they saw the opportunity at the line in the sand. Something changed, right? What changed? I have value now. I can dump 500 million bucks if I'm a 500K, if I'm a hedge fund, right? To go long and capture 3, 4, 5 points. These guys are up almost 10 points if they hold those moves. Right, back to 94. Back to 94 now. 95 is the ultimate target. I'm excited. Today was a good day. Really good day, guys. This is 94, 94 and a quarter. There it goes. Boom. 95. Target achieved. That's it. Done. You guys should have the money in your pocket now. Do you want it to be clearer than that? Nice job, Caesar. There. Was that hard at all? I mean, it wasn't hard. Yeah, let's go. We closed the gap. So now you are inside the previous day, right? You guys are inside the previous day range, right? Here is my previous day. Boom, gap closed. I'm going to put it right here for you guys in the room. Gap is closed. Now, the fight is how are we going to go back inside yesterday range? And this is going to give me 42, 10, 42, 05. Excuse me, the other way around. 42, 05, 42, 10, targets. And I will be playing this baby now with 20 lots. Because I will make $20,000 today. What a beautiful day. What a gorgeous, beautiful day. All right. So, lesson learned, right? For today, you break initial balance. We did balance right here. You do not want to see them come back inside of it. You take your long trades. You look at your targets right to the previous day. Now look what we just did. Look at what just happened. You went inside. You're coming back inside, right? You went inside yesterday range. You close the gap. Gap is closed, which is really mechanical. Gap is closed. Come back low. You have to test these people. You have to test these buyers. That's what we are doing. Then we're going to test them and boom, squeeze them to the previous day settle. 42.05, previous day settle is the target. Awesome. Great day. What a beautiful, fantastic day. Woo! Fantastic day. NASDAQ now is trying to join the party, so that's going to propel the S&P to 42. Come on, sweetie. Show me the money. I mean, it's such a 20 points, guys, from 76. 20 points from 76. And 30 points free money that I gave you off the line of the sand. This was free money. Free money. This is a 3,000 on one lot. Yeah. I just made maybe, how much money did I make? About 900 plus 1,700, about 2,500 out of that. All right. Here we go. Come on, baby. Show me 2,000. I mean, 4,200. Please hit me with 4,200. Come on, don't be shy. You can do it. Now, when you are at these highs with such a strong move, you have to think, what will the algo do with all this inventory? Now, you need to also be careful and don't get all hyped up with this inventory. Who was buying with you right here? Retail. Right? Who buy here? Who buy right here? Commercial money. You see all this inventory? Look at the volume. Look at my line. I have 10,000 right there for a reason on my volume. Who bought right here with me? Now the volume is not there anymore. But they are still joining. They are still buying this baby. Yeah? So who is buying here? So this commercial paper is going to squeeze the heck out of people. And if we flush any inventory of this, these guys are going to dump the supply right here. Right? They will dump it. These guys will dump the supply. They will just push the supply right there at the top. And for that, you need to understand order flow. I saw, and I told you when we were at 67, I was looking at a lot of absorption going on in the ladder. I cannot show you that anymore. I think I can. Let me go back to the 67. Oh my goodness, it's all the way down. There. When we were hitting the 70s, right here. When we were here at the 70s, yeah, we were right here. Oops, well, wrong color. Watch out for the 4,200, guys. 4,200 target. Right here, we start seeing big absorption. And I told you, guys, the long of the 67, line in the sand, right here. That baby. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to do that. Look at this, right? Look at that. Right here. Look at this baby right there, dumping supply, being absorbed. Boom. This was a happy face for me today. Yeah? This was a beautiful, happy face. So, good job, guys. Man, you guys made a killing today. I love it. I love it. I'm bad at drawing, by the way. All right, there you have it. Easy money, $10,000 day. What a freaking strong June we're having, man. What a freaking strong. There it goes, 4201. 4201. Gap is closed. I mean, guys, there you go. That's all I'm going to be doing today. Boom, gada boom, boom, boom. Guys, I need to make a phone call because I need to tell my friend if he's long to get the hell out of this thing. Let me mute the mic. I have to make this phone call really quick because if he actually went long that, I'm pretty sure he's going to be greedy bastard. And I want to collect my 40% on that. Not to give money away to the market. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. You're not gonna believe what this guy did. Uh, you know when sometimes you teach people, they just blew your freaking mind. He bought a SPY calls for 10 cents. Listen to this. 10 cents a SPY calls, 4,200 expiring next week. 10 freaking cents. They are worth $2.50 now. He just made $33,000. He closed half of them, and he closed his ES S&P 500. What a freaking great feeling that is when somebody listens to your advice for 1 day, at least 1 day out of 30 days. Ah, man. 41, 4202s. And Caesar, what are you saying, Caesar? Done for the day. Yeah, go to the beach, man. I'm about to hit the pool and go for a swim. I'm done for the day, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I am freaking done for the day. I'll be here on Discord. I'll be giving you guys more alerts. Before I close the room for YouTube, those of you here in YouTube, those of you who are new to YouTube with us, we just had a bunch of trades. I mean, we just captured over. My guys, they did probably 60 points. I only did half of that. I got a bunch of trades on Discord. You can go check it out. Called in long 80s. Some of my guys, I got stopped out here. Some of my guys went long 76. I think he captured about 20 points up. Some of them, I went long this 90, 88 something. Got out 90s. Everything is recorded. And then I just gave you guys the last move, which was 95 inside the previous day range. Target, point of control, previous day settle, 4205. If you are in this market, entering the market at 11 a.m., please, I beg you, do not go all crazy trying to short this market. The commercial paper is here probably this morning. There is a good chance these guys just saw the opportunity. They were waiting for the jobs report. They were waiting, and before I close the room here, for those of you following me on Twitter and in YouTube, we saw a couple of things happening this morning, and I will replay this thing that I told my guys, premium members, early on, pre-market. We were coming out of balance to the top of the previous balance, which was 41.67, 41.70. So my guys in the room, I told them live, and I will have to go look for it. I told them here, line in the sand, 41.67. Start looking for the longs right here, 8.45. All right. So when you see things like this, oops, no, I didn't want to move that. I'm sorry. You need to be prepared. You need to be prepared to enter the market. You need to be prepared with risk management. Long 60s. We've had a bunch of targets. The first target was the open, which was 41.80. We captured about 13 points here, back to the open. Then we captured the breakout of the initial balance. I went long myself at 41.80, got stopped at 78, went long at 88, 87s, got out at 92s, 90s, long 94s again, back to 95s. Bunch of trades happening this morning, super quick. I couldn't even type them into Discord. They were that quick for me personally, because I trade the EMini. I don't trade the micro. So those of you who trade micro, this is heaven for you guys. This is heaven, because all you got to do is put your trade on and leave it. Just leave it alone. Don't touch it, right? Put your stop, of course, put your stop, but just leave it, right? The target, first target, the open, leave a couple of runners. I think some of my guys who trade micros, they trade 3 lots, 4 lots, whatever. I don't really care. I trade the EMini. I trade the $50 because I do my $10,000 today, and I was about 4,500. I think I don't look at my P&L, but maybe I captured about 4,500 of this move. I didn't capture the whole thing. My other 5,000, 6,000 bucks came from AMC, another trade that I did, long of the 515s. Back to the EMini today. I just told you guys, look for balance, look for change, learn the structure, learn what happened at the open. We were at the open for about 25 minutes, and I keep telling my guys, same thing that happened yesterday. Please learn that. Look at the nuances. Who's with you? Who is with you trading? Extremely important. Bunch of absorption that we saw at the 85s, 81s, and then 85. And that was the guide for me to take the next 15 points all the way to 4,200. Pretty straightforward, following order flow, following supply and demand, following who is with you, and following change in the market. As we are here at 4,200, guess where we are? Same place we were yesterday. Yeah, same place we spent almost all afternoon, 4,200 yesterday during the trading day, regular trading hours. So what to expect right now? Nothing. Be done for the day. Maybe start scalping it. That inventory from 80, guys, this inventory, yeah, from 80 probably is going to be dumped right here. There is a good chance they will start balancing act between 95. I would like to see them not getting out of the previous day. You don't want to see them coming out of the previous day, right? If they come out of the previous day range, then you will be looking for the bottom of the gap. If you look, the gap is closed already, but I am leaving it as a reference on my graphics. I am leaving it on my chart as a reference. I know that the gap has been closed already, but I don't want to see these guys getting out of the 95, which is the previous day low. Instead, I want to see them balance right here between 41.95 and 42.02. That will eventually break out those 42.10s. That's the ultimate target, 42.10. But if you're coming to scalp the market right now at 11 a.m. in the morning, you are late to the party, right? You could be late to the party. You could still scalp it for 2-3 points. But again, the move was right from the line in the sand all the way to the open, then from the open all the way to the close of the gap. There was about 70. Let's say you grab 70. You got 10 points here at 70. And then from the 80s to the 200, that was about 20 points. Even if you grab from the 80s like I did to the 95, right? 88 to the 95 was about 7 points. That's about 17 points. And I just gave you from 95 to 4,200. Even they print 42.02. They gave you another 7 points. Free money for those of you who were here in YouTube Live. Thank you very much. I will be seeing you Uh, yes, interpret. I'll give you my Discord channel now. Let me give you an invite for that. You can join us. I forgot to post that. I apologize. Let me give you an invite. Please, those of you on YouTube, there you go. There is the invite. You can go ahead and come back. Come inside the room. Premium members, they got a lot of information on my channel. So, guys, what can I tell you? I wish you guys the best for the rest of the day. 41.85. What do you think? Can I go long 41.85? I'm so sorry. I'm just looking at the message now, Interpret. I'm just looking at your message. So, but I will try to respond just now. I apologize for that. I will try to respond to you quickly here in the room. 85, you're looking at the bottom of the gap. Okay? Right? 85 is the bottom of the gap. We are at 4,200 right now. If we exit 95, right? If you were to see a big dump of supply, you have to look at the supply, order flow, look at the supply. Algo went quiet right now, but look at the order flow right here at 95. What do you see? Look how they come into 95 right now. Look how they are pushing to go to 95. What they are about to do is give you the trade to the low of the previous day, right? That's the 95. And then balance you here. So they can trap you. I will tell you, they can trap you. They can go back here to 95 and squeeze you back to 200. I do not know what is your risk management that you have in place. If you can take a 5 points hit trading the EMini, or if you're trading the micro, it doesn't matter what you trade. It doesn't matter. But a couple of things are going to happen. They can squeeze you. If you don't see the squeeze and you see the continuation, then you want to follow the trade, and here is the low of the period, right around 92, right? So that is not a bad target. Those of you who shorted 4,200, if anyone shorted those 4,200s, you're looking for 92. You're looking for 8 points reward to the downside with your stop being 4202. If you shorted 4,200, your stop is 2 points and your reward is 8 points. If we break 92, game is over, and I can go all the way down to 85. At 85, this is what's going to happen. This is the extreme for the day, 4202. Here is the string low of the day, 4160, whatever, 65. What's going to happen when you are at 85 is that you are in the middle. You are at the middle of the bell curve. You are right there at 85. This can become choppy, extremely choppiness. That's what's going to happen, okay? Interpret, I hope you're listening. That's what could happen. It could happen that we just find more and more supply to take me back to the low of the days or to value. Look at the value where it is. It's right here, a volume, the VPOC. The volume point of control is right at 78, 79. So the move, guys, it can go both ways, all right? It can go extremely both ways. You need to understand where you are in the market and who is playing with you. Right now, look at the supply. Even though we have buyers, we have icebergs, we have a couple of icebergs, and I saw those icebergs, this morning, right? When we were at 70, I saw the iceberg coming up, right? And I look at the delta. Right now, delta looking kind of weak. But if we go to the low of the previous day range and we break, they are about to break it now. I want to see the bulls stepping in and take me back to 4202. If I don't see the bulls, it's over. Back to 80s. Back to 80s, and I can capture 10 points. Right? Back to the 80s, and I can capture 10, maybe 14 points. So that's the move. I might be placing a sell stop right here. If I see these guys, I'm going to have a sell stop. Those of you who trade with me, you know what I do, right? I just place my sell stop, fill my order, test it, and go. And that way, I can be swimming by the pool, collecting money. I put my stop 2 points above it, right there, 98, in case these guys squeeze me back to 03, 04, or 05. Thank you, Bubble. Man, Bubble, that was amazing. Bubble, man, what do I need to do with you, man? Bubble, this is what I need to do, bro. I mean, It couldn't be more clear than that, right? Bubble posted it this morning, right? A squeeze to 42.04, just wait and see, right? But the choice this morning was to be right in the middle, 02s, 02s, and 0204. So the plan is already given to you guys. It's just about now clicking and managing your orders. So I hope that clears that out. AMC now printing $30. What a beautiful day. AMC. Oh my God. Those of you who didn't follow that, right? AMC. Long $9.15 the day of earnings. Yeah. I left 81 shares, collected about $5,000. This is when the market was 68. I closed my trade today, this morning at 70. Boom. 72. Yeah. 72.49. Yeah. 6 a.m. in the morning, they filled it. 72. 700 investment turned into $5,500. All right? Simple. For my day, I'm done. I'm already have 10K on my pocket. All I have to do is watch the market and give you guys a bunch of ideas. The ideas already given you. So the performance of the market was very good, down to 73 and now back to 02. Yeah. They learn quickly, brother. I think I think these guys, they come here, guys. I think Bubble the other day say, man, I think these guys really are coming to check our levels. Yesterday. This is yesterday. 24 hours before the event, I told everybody in the room, guys, we dropped below 42. We're going to 73. My friend, he bought those freaking, oh man, it's unbelievable. I love this guy. I love him. I got to go eat lunch with him. I got to go have lunch with him today. He bought the SPY at 10 cents. I cannot believe that. 10 freaking cents. Now it's $3. $3, guys. From you buy something at a $10 and you sell it at 300 in about half an hour, right? How much is your profit? $290. Where else can you do that? Only at ES Live 8. He didn't tell me how much money he made. He made $33,000 so far on those SPY. But I'm pretty sure he made much more money on those SPY that we have. Yeah, just follow his life. Yeah, Carlos. Thank you, Bubble. Hey, I need that Giphy now, man. Hey, I love this Giphy. Oh, let me add to my favorites. I'm going to show that to my wife now. You guys are amazing. All right, here goes 95. My order has been filled. I think they filled my order. Let me go back. I have my 95 sell stop. Did they give me my sell stop on my Interactive Brokers? Guys, it is 11:23. I'm going to get the heck out of here and back to my guys at Discord. Oh, they didn't give me my order. Oh, have a sad face now. They didn't fill my orders, guy. Not yet. They haven't filled my order. I thought they filled it. I was like, yay. But no, but look. Right, look over there. What could happen? Yeah, just observe the market. They can come here, and then everybody is going to jump short, right? And then can squeeze you back to 02s. You need to play with. You need to learn to play with the big guys. Who is managing this market today? Retail traders, they just got stopped out. I mean, retail trader has a 2-point stop. They just stopped them out from 95.25. to 98. Boom. Money is gone. Just like that. Simple. These guys don't even sweat it, man. Right? Don't even freaking sweat it. So I'm glad my short did not get executed. My short is a 95, right? What was the low of this bar? Let me go look at it. They only gave us 96.50. I see 95.25. They came to 95.25 and now back at 99. You see? So when you start looking at this, you need to be quick. And you need to know your risk. The most important thing I teach my guys in the room, risk management. If you cannot be underground by 5 points, don't be. Wait for it. Just wait for the market to show the real true colors, right? Wait for those true colors, because I believe if this 95 comes around, or 94, whatever they give me, it could be short-lived because I have the D period low at 93.50. right? It could be short-lived. So I have to be ready. I don't want these guys to squeeze me back up to the 200. I don't want to do that. Instead, I want them to be here, just like I told you. I want them to find balance here, balance the market here, and eventually break to that 210. It's a waiting game, guys. Nothing more than a waiting game, all right? So kudos to those of you who made over $3,000 today. Awesome. Bubble Bubble, I think he's swimming today. Maybe he has his swimming pool full of money. Right, Bubble? Let me see. Where is Bubble at? I missed this guy early in the morning. AMC down 32%. Yay, what do you know? What do you know, right? So, look how I'm going to play this now. And I don't want to be crazy. I will short 4202, 4200, right? I want to get to 95. Yes, short 4200, right? Target 41.95, 92. Stop 4202. There you have it. It's filled. They just filled my order, right? GameStop 10%. You know, that's funny. Why is GameStop only 10%? It should be 40%. GameStop is 250 now, right? Yeah, it was 400 or 300 yesterday. 294 yesterday. Yesterday 294. So 250 today. Okay, oil, guys. Let me go back to oil before I close the room. Oil back at 68.70. Remember, this morning I missed my 68.70 back to 69. Currently, oil printing 68.70. I have an order to go long again, 68.55. 68.55 for my oil trade. Can you call your friends, please, Bubble, and make sure we print 70 tomorrow? Right? 70 tomorrow. That would be nice. Before July 4, please make the call. Call your friends. Dump a couple of thousand lots. That'll be helpful. Man, I really like that. Boom. Boom. Kata boom. Give me 95. Give me 95. Come on, baby. Show me the money. I think we're going to settle right here for the morning. Before lunchtime, these guys are going to probably flush to 92 and then find value here and be here the rest of the day, right? There's a good chance we start just flushing inventory back and forth here. Even the 85, like Synth was asking me, it could be a potential. All right, interpret. I'm sorry, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Back at 200. Correlation, yeah, they are both overpriced. AMC is worth, guys, AMC. Guys, I just got stopped out of my oil. Look, they are flushing it. They filled my order at 55, and they stopped me out in the middle at 35. 20 ticks. I just gave away 20 ticks on that move on oil. So leave it alone for now. We'll come back to it. I want to see what they're going to do at 68 and 67.55. Leave the oil alone for now. They just stopped me out. They filled my order 6A55. They drag it to 6A35, and they just sent me a thank you so much for your money. Suckers, they stopped me out. But it is life of the trader. I think that was the fastest money that I have lost this week so far. I mean, in 1 second, in less than a minute, they filled the order and they flushed to 35. Simple. Now leave it alone, please, because they are flushing this thing. Let them flush the inventory. Remember, our move is to get oil at 66 and 67 and ride it to 70. So we can collect $70, $3,000 back to $70 oil. All right, E period just opened. It is 11:30 a.m. E period is open. I am short 4,200, looking for 41.95. My stop is right at 42.02. Looking to collect 5 points or 7 points, and my risk very, 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 very small. I like 4, brother. Yes, I do like it. My Neo is working great because I grab it at 31. What is the Neo today? I did enter Neo on my IRA account. All right. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. What was I saying? I was saying something about. Oh, I was saying something about the ES. I think I forgot, guys. It's been a cool day, guys. It's been a beautiful day, fantastic day. Those of you here on Zoom. By the way, how do you guys like Zoom? Are you guys still around? The guys who's still here? Balkis, are you here in the room? I see you joining. Some of you guys are here on YouTube. I'm sure some of you guys are on Zoom. I'm trying to play both ways here with you guys and give you guys a lot of value. So if you guys are here in the room, I would appreciate it. Hello, or at least I can know that everything is good. I know that Cesar was early on in the morning. How's the streaming going, and how is it that you guys are making money in the market? Guys, it is 11:30. I have to leave you. I want to close this trade in front of you, but the market doesn't listen to 3 lots. I am short 3 lots, 4,200. I'm looking for 95, 92. If I see 95, I'm probably going to close it. That's my first target. I'm going to close 2. I'm going to leave a runner, move my stop to break even. Right? Going to close 95, 2 lots. I'm going to leave 1 runner to 92 and immediately move my stop to break even so I don't give nothing back to the market. So I have 3 points already on 2 lots, but I want more. I want $500 on this move, all the way to 95. Okay, guys, done for the day. I'm closing the room here in YouTube. And those of you, Bubble, did you join by any chance? Or did you have any problem joining Zoom this morning? Or are you about to go have your dinner in Europe and go grab your coffee? Remember, I am going live now using Zoom. So, and there is a Zoom link. I will probably take a snapshot of this to everyone. Every day, you guys need to come in the morning and don't wait, don't look for nothing here. Here is only for the regular trading. Live chat is only for signals and setups and ideas. The screen share link every day is going to be posted right there. All right. Okay, so pretty cool stuff going on. So let me know what you think about this morning. Let me see what my small caps are doing and work on those. 97 again. Let me go back to what in the hell is going on here. Oh, cool. This guy's is, wow, cool. This guy is just jumping over my TQQs. 99.50 on TQQ, by the way. I'm glad I got out of that. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Thank you so much. 95 about to get hit. I will close 2 lots. Right? I really want to close this in front of you. Live. This is live. Boom. Boom. 2 lots. Close. Right? Closed at, I'm going to type it here because I know some of you guys are waiting for that. 41.95. 25. They filled my order. Got 5 points on that baby. Don't get addicted, brother. Caesar, I thought you would have done for the day in half an hour ago. All right. Runner is on. Runner on to 41.92. Imagine what you could do with $1 million. Right, Caesar? Even better with $3 million. Just imagine that for a minute. Just let that sink in for a minute. Right? Just my friend with $1 million today, investing only $200K, he made $233,000. Only with $200K, he made $233,000. And he's not done. By the way, he is not done. I'm about to close the room and go have lunch with him. He wants to talk about some strategies going forward with oil. Not only oil, he plays gold, and he got a screw up on gold big time. He got long 1900s. No, he got long 1850s, but he got an option against it, and the option is now completely against him. So I gotta go figure it out how to hedge and make money on gold. Silver was screaming higher over the week. I haven't looked at that because he has some positions on silver too. I have no idea what the hell he's doing on silver. But anyways, nonetheless, guys, it has been such a fantastic day. An extremely strong start for the month of June. Please keep it going, right? Keep it going. Thank you so much. I'm stopping now my streaming for those of you here in YouTube. Take care. I'll be seeing you guys back at Discord. This Zoom link is open all day. The whole freaking day. If